New video, Tesla Model 3, big transformation. What we've done on it, headlights, light smoke PPF, all around window tint, backlights, light smoke, D-chrome on around the windows, the mirror brackets, the camera trims, basically everything that's chrome that's now been turned into gloss black, and also a full low-line kit with a few extra trims on there. Some people might wonder why is it so expensive to D-chrome Teslas. This is the reason, well, one of the reasons why, because to D-chrome around the wing mirrors, this is the extent you've got to take it to fully disassemble it, because this part is under the mirror. Obviously the mirror turns in, so you can't get it done nicely without splitting it all completely apart. So we've done that, we'll get them all wrapped, put them back together, and they'll be ready to go in the car. In terms of the back window, when it comes to Teslas, the window is really big. It goes all the way to the top of the roof. So we offer two options for the back windows. We can do the full window, which is a little bit more expensive, or we can do like half of the window because it naturally fades from tinted to clear. We can only tint the bottom half. It is a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't look as nice because it doesn't have that natural fade anymore, which you can only see from the inside. So it can also be done, but when you are doing the big full back window, it takes a lot of time to shrink it down, and as you can see, it takes a lot of material as well. So that's why it's so expensive on these.
Jag har inte jag kan se det film och vad i mombo.
Tesla Model 3, massive transformation, full blackout, another 2 ton of downforce. That's how we do it.